Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing inputs and focusing the item you want to act on. Use tab or arrow keys to move focus, or tap the item on a touchscreen. Once focused, make sure the keyboard or touchpad is active. On Windows, enable the on-screen keyboard in Ease of Access, and on Mac OS, enable Accessibility Keyboard in System Settings. This immediate focus step matters because the alternative right-click methods target whatever has focus. So get that selection locked in before. Now you invoke the context menu using the method your device supports. If you have a context menu key, press it. Otherwise, press Shift plus F10. This works across many apps. For touchpads, use a two-finger tap or configured gesture. On touchscreens, long press until the menu appears. On Mac OS, hold Control while clicking or touch hold to get the same menu, and on Linux desktop environments, check gesture settings. Once the menu appears, you can navigate it with arrow keys or touch. Finish by selecting the action using arrow keys and enter, or by tapping the menu item. In many menus, you can press the underlined letter or a numeric shortcut to jump faster. If nothing happens, make sure the window still has focus. Then try Shift plus F10 again, or re-enable your on-screen keyboard, touchpad gestures, or control-click behavior. If problems persist, restart the input device driver or check accessibility settings. This single troubleshooting step resolves most input mapping issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.